Welcome to our channel wherein we dive deep into the arena of martial arts and discover the legends who formed it. Today we are speaking about the enduring Bruce Lee and his groundbreaking contributions to martial arts strategies. From his early beginnings to his progressive ideas, we will find the secrets in the back of his success and the way he converted martial arts for all time. Introduction. The legend of Bruce Lee. Bruce Lee is greater than just a name. He is a symbol of energy, agility, and innovation. Born in 1940 in San Francisco and raised in Hong Kong, Lee lifestyles changed into a mix of Eastern and Western influences. His precise technique to martial arts made him a global icon, transcending cultural and geographic barriers. But what exactly set him aside from others? Let's discover his journey and the techniques that made him a pioneer. The early years, a foundation in traditional martial arts. Bruce Lee started his martial arts education at a younger age under the tutelage of Wing Chun master Yip Man. This conventional Chinese martial art focused on close variety fight, emphasizing brief punches and tight defense. Lee's foundation in Wing Chun was solid, but he quickly realized that to be in reality effective, one needed to adapt and evolve. Training regimen. The making of a martial arts icon. Bruce Lee's achievement was no longer simply because of his revolutionary strategies, however, also his rigorous education routine. Lee became recognized for his severe workouts and willpower to physical fitness, strength, and conditioning. Lee believed within the significance of a robust and bendy body. His exercises included weightlifting, cardio, physical activities, and versatility schooling. He additionally integrated unconventional training methods such as the use of electrical muscle stimulation to enhance muscle power, speed, and reflexes. Speed changed into one in every of Lee's finest belongings. He educated drastically to improve his reflexes and response time. This protected practicing with a pace bag, shadow boxing, and sparring with companions to simulate actual fight scenarios. Mental training. Lee understood that martial arts were as tons about the mind as the frame. He practiced meditation and mental visualization techniques to stay focused and calm under stress. His philosophical method to martial arts changed into deeply influenced via his look at of Eastern philosophy and Western psychology. Legacy. Bruce Lee's impact on modern martial arts. Bruce Lee's impact extends a ways past his lifetime. His pioneering strategies and philosophies have left an indelible mark on martial arts and famous way of life. Mixed martial arts MMA. Lee is often credited as the daddy of present-day MMA. His emphasis on Go training and adapting strategies from various martial arts laid the foundation for what might end up MMA. Fighters today preserve to attract proposal from Lee ideas of performance, adaptability, and simplicity. Pop culture icon. Bruce Lee aura and on-display presence grew to become him into an international celebrity. Films like Enter the Dragon and Fist of Fury showcased his abilities and brought martial arts to mainstream audiences. His effect on cinema and popular way of life remains sturdy, with several documentaries, books, and films celebrating his existence and legacy. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Bruce Lee's groundbreaking contributions to martial arts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and join our channel for greater insights into the legends of martial arts. Until subsequent time, preserve schooling, live inspired, and bear in mind to head beyond the fist.